All right, what is up, guys? It is Thursday after the trading day. Had a little bit of a downside move today. First, just want to start out and let you guys know that trading will be closed tomorrow. This is just AMP, but I mean, across the board. Trading is going to be shut down tomorrow. So, unless you're trading some crypto, I would be very, very careful about trading any kind of TradeFi on a crypto exchange. Other than that, let's take a look at the markets, right? First off, one thing that we always want to do is we just want to look at the naked levels. Where is these previous day? Okay, right? And as you can see, we did have a big move to the upside, right? The other day, but we are still on this clean downwards move. We are on this clean downwards move, right? Big move to the upside only to come back down when Trump speaks today. Really, I'll be looking for this, right? This nice little supply demand zone, maybe taking out this previous low right here. We did flip this anchored VWAP, so we will look for this big important anchored VWAP. Oops, excuse me. Let's do a little bit of this. This big important anchored VWAP here. We are forming a little bit of this. What is this? This little inverse shoulder, head and shoulders. But until we really crack this downwards trend line, that would be my first SOS. My first sign of strength is taking out some previous highs, man. Taking out some previous highs of that trend line. Let's look at the NASDAQ. Going to come on over here to the NASDAQ and same thing, right? Just kind of looking at it. If we get rid of everything, right, where is the market trying to go? And we can see that the market is clearly going to the downside. Days, weeks, perhaps even months. And same thing, really. I'm looking for this little supply demand zone in here for some nice, really just to come in and just test that bottom and then see what happens, right? See the reaction that we get. Bitcoin, same thing. Had a little bit of a move to the downside, but still not really trading in this parallel channel anymore. Let's get rid of all this stuff and let's just look at it, right? Before all the little fancy tools and all the little everything. I mean, at the end of the day, we are just still trading at that value area high. Really just trading at that value area high. And until that value area high is lost, and what would I classify as lost? I would classify that as lost if we had another daily candle close below that level. As you can see here previously, we saw one day close on just that worst drop. We had one daily close, and then since then, we could not close another daily candle beneath that. Now, you know that the more times you test a level, boing, 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 right, the weaker it gets. So I would say that I'm still thinking that we are forming a really good bottom here. And I mean, it might be time to be aware that if we come down here, right? And now when you come down, you test lows, there is just a classic fake out. Bitcoin loves to fake out. But I would say a fake out would really kind of be, faking out these lows without taking out this low. And then if we did take out that low, it would really be on that massive point of control. So that bounce could be in the cards, but I would be very concerned about this support flipping to resistance. So, dime store outlook, right? If we lost this level of support, I'd say big time we'll be looking for this level of support underneath us, this point of control. We do have some scattered support zone here, right? We've got this high time frame, monthly level, daily level. We've got some important naked points of control. So we do have some very big levels down here. But one thing to be aware of is that if we do get a good bounce, we do have some crazy resistance that we'll be flipping to. So just better to be prepared, right? If a long presented itself down here, I'd take it. If a long presented itself down here, I'd take it. But I would be fully aware that I would look for this to flip to resistance and take a head short. Until then, I am still long. There's really no reason to be short yet. I don't care about the news. I don't care about Trump. I don't care who's sleeping with what, who's doing who. I'm looking at the structure. High, higher, higher. This is an upwards market, but we are in a downwards trend and a downwards correlative phase. Tomorrow, I'm going to take a little time off. Had a big earthquake today, which is crazy because I live actually directly on top of the fault line, but it was only a 4.6. I'm not really getting out of bed for anything over a 6. So, anyways, guys, be safe, be careful. We'll be back Monday for a nice big review for you. See what happens, see what transpires over the weekend. I know Trump is speaking and stuff is unsure, but we're technical analysts. We don't give a shit about that stuff. Anyways, guys, be safe out there. That's all I got for now. Take it easy.